all that just to end up having to step in the water again. That was dumb. Don't want to get too close, spook anything that's in here. Nice. First cast. Just a little red, but he ate that voodoo shrimp.